Alright, so we're going to do a little walkthrough on the system we just put in here. We have 4 Battleborn 100 amp hour batteries, golf cart size in parallel. We've replaced 4 Lifeline golf cart size batteries. The battery switches, that's your start battery or your emergency start. This is your house battery. These are the back of the switches here. This is the duo charge that keeps the start battery charged up. Those are the fuses for it. Everything is labeled. This is the new Victron 2000 watt Multiplus compact inverter. Here's your new main DC distribution. Gave you a spare A&L there. These take A&L fuses. That's the house panel feed, starboard alternator, port alternator, and there's 2 spares in the bag. That's your Class T fuse for your inverter, and this is your main common bus where the solar, the winch, and windlass all hook up to. Here's your solar regulators. This is your 24-hour load bus. Basically, this is all your volt senses, things like that for regulators, for chargers. There's your shunt and your main grounding bus here. BMV 712. This is the new Cerbo GX. So right now we're about 99%, 13.4. Panels are putting about 32 watts in. You can go into the menu here. And we can look at the house, exactly what that BMV 712 is doing. Basically all the same information. Then you can go in, you can see what each solar regulator is yielding. You can go in and turn on or off the inverter from here. If you decided to incorporate your fuel tanks or water tanks, you have 4 analog ports that you can do that into. So yeah, this is our main screen. If you were plugged into shore power, you'd have some shore power coming in there. We are inverting right now, and solar has just been carrying the loads here for the past couple days. Down here, did a fair amount of cleanup behind the AC panel, DC panel. These are your new breakers for the solar. That's your deck solar, aft solar, windlass, winch. These are the new Mc614 regulators. The center fielder, the Victron Cerbo GX, which is the brain for that screen up there. So we're going to go ahead and start everything up and see what kind of power we can get out of it. Alright, so we're running. We are at idle. And just at idle, we're already coming up 71, 72 amps. They're going to both try and get into bulk here, so we'll go ahead and give her some RPMs. So that's about 1600. We're getting about 270 amps right now. And it is putting out and it's coming back immediately because we're already at 100%. But you can see they come up. It's got plenty of power.